and welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers. And today we're going to be making Italian fried rice. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds a little bit strange, but go with me on this one. I was just making it up as I go along. So I had some Italian sausages I needed to use up, so I fried them up over medium-high heat. Now you're going to want to cook these to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Once they start to get a little bit of color, I usually turn the heat down a little bit and let them cook a little slower. Okay, now we're going to take some eggs, and then we're going to grate in a bunch of fresh Parmesan. Now I did this directly into the eggs, kind of like you would in carbonara, but I think it would work probably just equally as good, or if not better, if you just grated it over the rice at the end. A little bit of fresh pepper in there too before you mix it all up. The reason I say it might work a little better by putting the cheese in afterwards is that I found that it tended to stick a little bit to the wok while it was cooking. Now you're going to want, anytime you're making fried rice, you want the wok to get very, very, very hot. So let that oil heat up in there until it's smoking blue. Then you start off by throwing in your egg mixture. This is where the cheese started to melt a little bit. Throw in your leftover rice. You need to use leftover rice or else it'll go soggy. And then whatever vegetables you want to put in. And then I added back in all the diced up sausage. And just a little bit of soy sauce, maybe like a tablespoon. And then to add a little bit of sweetness, I topped it off with a little drizzle of balsamic glaze. It turned out a very tasty experiment. If you like this video, then check out these tasty videos.